On this episode of Kitchen Boss, we're gonna replace this ugly looking plug. But first, we gotta kill the power. Now let's rip this thing off. We're gonna go ahead and build our box. You have the plug, box, pipe here. If you look very closely at your plug, you'll see there's lines here that you can cut off because this not gonna fit in here. So what you can do is you take your linesman and cut along the line. Now that this is cut off, now what we're going to do is put these two together, stick a screw that came with our plug, stick it in here like that, and then take the nuts and screw these bad boys on. Now that we got the plug built, we're going to go ahead and build the box. Another important part is putting the ground screw in. Now that we got this complete, we can start putting this plug in. We get to crawl in this hole. All right, now that's fed, we're gonna go ahead and tie the plug in. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and connect this side into that box right up here. Okay, so now that we have it wired in, we're gonna go ahead and flip our breaker and test it out. Ta-da! Yo,